What's going on, everybody on YouTube? Griffin here, coming back to you guys with another video. First and foremost, if you're new to the channel and tuning in for the first time, we'd love to have you here for future videos just like this. Feel free to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon right beside it. That way you will be notified every time we go live or upload another video. And we also have a totally free Discord group chat that'll be down in the description box as well. If you are someone that is looking at, starting any kind of business, I own a pest control business, of course, but if you're looking at starting any kind of business, investing, just achieving financial freedom overall, I think you'll really like our group. We have over 200 members in there, and looking to add to that, we've added a few of you all recently in the recent weeks since I've been uploading more frequently. Again, that'll be in the description box, but with that, we'll just go ahead and hop right into today's video. As you all saw, we're going to be talking about, Chat GPT. It's a newer AI technology. It came out like in November, late November, December, and it has really just taken the world by storm. Early on, I was very hesitant. I'm very hesitant with AI technology as a whole. There's a lot of dangers that go into just this technology, and it's not regulated whatsoever. Not specifically, Chat GPT or anything, but just AI in general. I'm not pro-regulation usually, but AI is definitely something, we got to be careful with, in the future. Different topic for a different day. But how can we use Chat GPT for our businesses to help us, rank better, either, on Google search engine, on, our Google business profiles, in the map pack and all that stuff. This doesn't apply just to pest control companies. This provides to anybody that, has a business, has a website, has, a Google My Business profile where you're trying to get up the rankings on the map pack. Let's just dive right into it. So, the cool thing about Chat GPT is, one, totally free. You don't have to pay for it. There are different tools that use variations of Chat GPT as well as other different AI tools. And I'll probably do, at least a couple videos on a different, on different ones that I've used. There's two of them that I use currently right now. So I'll probably do like a video in the future, very near future, of those, so you can see if you want to use those for your business as well. I've tried various amounts of things when it comes to Chat GPT, and the main thing that you do essentially when you're going to get started here is, you just hit a new chat and you can literally talk to this amazing thing about anything. We're in the pest control industry, a lot of us are, so I could say, hey, Chat GPT, what are some keywords in the pest control industry? So say you're having a mental fog and, you're looking to write a blog, which will be another, one of those topics that I'm discussing, why I'm using an AI tool to help me write blogs. This one, with it being free, it has limitations. I wouldn't necessarily use this for like 100% writing your blog post. It can do a big chunk of it for you. And again, I got multiple videos lined up for you all, and see it popped up here, totally new chat that you can go back to for your reference, essentially. And as you don't need them anymore, you can trash them, very, very not, overall for being free, it's amazing. But like I was saying a second ago, those videos, you all are going to absolutely love them. There's a AI tool as cheap as $7 a month. That helps write blog posts that we do, and then there's another one that's a little more expensive. It starts around $250 a month, that I recently picked up just about a week ago as well, and that tool is absolutely mind-blowing. It's amazing. I'll show you all just my dashboard really quick, because it really just blows my mind. So I've made 3 blog posts already, over 7,000 words generated, 12 hours saved. They break it down for you. It's insanity, but that's not what this video is about, of course. So back to what we're talking about here. As you can see here, I just asked it a simple question, and the cool thing about the chat is it will literally keep everything in here until you delete it. And I asked it, what are some keywords in the pest control industry? And it just pops up all of these main different keywords that your potential customers are going to be typing in. So say you've done a bunch of blogs or posts on Facebook, posts on your Google My Business page about pest control, extermination, integrated pest management, but you haven't said anything using the words pesticides or rodents or insects, etc., you can start, using these words within your posts to generate more traction to your website, boost up your Google My Business rankings, boost up your website rankings overall, and thus get you more free clients, of course, versus paying Google ads and all these different lead agencies to get you customers. So what I have done here is I literally was thinking the other night, I was, editing my Google business profile, and there were a bunch of new services that Google had automatically added to my Google business profile. For those of you that don't know, you can go into your Google My Business profile. I'll do a tutorial, about Google My Business profile for you guys too very soon. Lots of videos for you guys, just pumping out one by one here. But you go in there and there's a services, that you have, and Google will update this frequently based on what your customers are searching, what a lot of your posts on your profile are using in terms of keywords and whatnot. And I noticed they'd added like a bunch to mine suddenly, and I was thinking, man, I really don't want to type out all these descriptions, blah 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 blah. And then I thought, man, Chat GPT, let's see what it can do. And I asked it, can you help me write business service descriptions? Said, yes, I can help you, blah, blah, all the stuff I need to provide. And I just typed in, each individual Google service that Google had. I literally just copied and pasted it. So this was one Google put in on mine. I said, bug and extermination. And then from there, Chat GPT literally typed me out a whole service description. Now this one is a little bit lengthy. This is more for like what you would put on a website service page. Again, I wouldn't just like I was saying with the blog post earlier, you don't want to copy it necessarily word for word, but you can literally copy it literally word for word and just plug in some stuff to kind of put your own spin on it, plug in, maybe your cities that you're trying to target. Maybe if you, want to put emphasis on different kinds of bugs in this case, whatever the case may be, just put your own little spin on it, but you can literally use all of this. I'm not saying you have to like cut it up and dissect it and make your own. Literally, you can use this whole thing, just put a little bit of your own icing on top, and it's a beautiful description for even a business website page, for a service page. But what I did essentially was I kind of just took kind of this first paragraph primarily, and again, I kind of put my little own spin on it. You only have, I think, like 300 characters. I forget the exact amount. But only about 300 characters to use on a Google service listing when you're describing the service. So I used a little bit of it, pretty much the first paragraph on every single one here. As you can see, I did one for flea exterminator and rowlet. Again, I was literally copy and pasting what Google was putting on my business services. This was literally this was one of the services that Google put on mine. They didn't put the in rowlet. I did that so the Chat GPT would go ahead and plug in, one of my keywords for me, rowlet, which is a city here that we service. We're out of the rowlet area. So again, we have a very good flea description right here. Again, straightforward to the point, right around 300 characters. Say goodbye to pesky fleas with our professional flea extermination services in rowlet. Our team of experienced exterminators are dedicated to eliminating flea infestations from homes and businesses in the rowlet area. So you're letting business owners know we do service businesses, we do residential, we're in the rowlet area, and again, this is flea, exterminator, like just perfect. I mean, it's hitting the keywords. It's exactly what you're looking for. Another example, termite treatment rowlet. What we got here, another little description, refers to bugs and all that, which I left this whole section out right here. One, because it was over 300 characters. Two, I didn't want to confuse Google with all these keywords, bundled up. So again, it's not 1,000%, but for a free AI tool, I mean, this is absolutely amazing. You can see it literally came up with, I actually pretty much copied and pasted this entire thing. Because I noticed on my own website, I was like, we don't have a commercial service tab. I was like, no wonder we're not getting as much commercial work as I was expecting. So, I literally pretty much copied this word for word plugged in, again, some of my own stuff in there, and boom, we have a commercial service page now. So, if I were to do this myself, that page would have took me, coming up with my own ideas, this and that. One, it probably wouldn't be as Google friendly, in terms of the search engine optimization, SEO. Second, it would have took me much longer. Instead of me just asking it a simple question, boom, it coming up with it for me, it would have took me probably at least 15-20 minutes minimum to come up with all of this. And again, it wouldn't be as optimized, wouldn't be as grammatically right, because I'm no English expert or anything. Just, a great tool that if you're not utilizing this for all sorts of things within your business, some things that, you should use this tool for, in my opinion, would include, blog posts. Again, we're talking about how I wouldn't necessarily copy and paste it. There is a free AI tool. Again, going to be doing a video about that for you guys, trying to separate these videos into separate, all these ideas into separate videos. That way the videos are shorter. I notice a lot of people are watching less and less, shorter content with TikTok and everything. So I'm trying to split these up into, smaller videos for you guys. But again, I'm just going to be rolling out all these great informative videos for you guys. But there is a free AI tool checker that will literally tell you if Google, because Google has came out with a red flag warning that they are looking for content that is created like just by AI. So if you literally copy and paste this, most of the time it's going to flag that, hey, this was written by a robot. Essentially, Google is on that now. Now that totally free AI tool checker that I'm referring to, you can literally say I copied and pasted this all the way in and then, pasted it on that free AI checker. It will tell you on a scale of 1 to 100, is your content completely fake, 0, meaning, it's 100% written by AI, or is it 100% satisfactory to Google, meaning that, it can't tell that, this was written by AI. And that is where that $250, plan, not with Chat GPT, with a totally different company that I just showed you a little bit ago, comes in handy, because it just blows my mind away how great it is. Again, different topic for a different day, but what Chat GPT is great for is assisting you with blog posts, Google My Business descriptions, any kind of business description, services, service location pages, meta descriptions even as well. I haven't even gotten into that yet. I'm going to do that myself, create some new meta descriptions for your website. Facebook, like social media posts, instead of coming up with your own off the top of your head, just say, hey, I want a Facebook post based on X, and then boom, let's type it in right here. Give me a short social media post using the keywords. Let's say squirrel removal in Rockwall, Texas. Now watch this. Say goodbye to pesky squirrels with our professional squirrel removal services in Rockwall, Texas. Our team of experienced exterminators are dedicated to quickly and effectively trapping and removing squirrels from homes and businesses in the Rockwall area. Don't let squirrels damage your property. Contact us today to schedule your I would put free in there, your consultation, and start enjoying a squirrel-free environment. Hashtag squirrel removal, hashtag Rockwall. It's even putting the hashtags in for you. I just love this tool the more that I dive into it. And there you go. You got a completely completed Facebook post. You could easily copy and paste this into Loomly, which is another tool that I'll be doing a video on. Very affordable, where you can auto schedule social media posts from everything from Google My Business, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, everything all in one. Sorry about my dogs. Hopefully they're not too loud in the video. But just amazing tool overall. I highly suggest you all use this, to help write descriptions for your business. The blog posting like we were talking about, and social media posts. But again, apologies for the dogs. Hopefully you all did enjoy the video. Hopefully you all, go ahead and check out Chat GPT. Like I said, it's totally free. I'll leave I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. But as you can see right up here, it's just chat.openai.com. And like I said, I'll leave that in the description box. I'm not associated with them. It's a, of course, huge company already. I think Elon Musk is even in on it. Shocker, right? With AI and everything. But definitely check it out. Let me know in the comments if you've heard of Chat GPT, if you've used it already, if you have any other ideas on what it can be used good for. Like I said, I really think blog posts, social media posts, website, service pages, service location pages, meta descriptions, anything revolving content within your business. I think it can definitely help you out tremendously. But let me know in the chat if there's anything that you think I might have missed or anything. And let me know what you think of Chat GPT as well as if there's any other AI tools that you all would like me to do, a video on in the future for you guys. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And like I said, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below, hit the bell icon beside it. That way you'll be notified every time we go live or upload another video. And then, like I said, we'd love to have you in our Discord group chat. I'd love to get to know you all personally and all that good stuff. Maybe if we all get to know each other and there's enough conversation going on, maybe we'll do like a meetup or something here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area at some point. But until next time, guys, keep on going out there, hustling, making your money, investing your money, and achieving your financial freedom this year. And I'll see you guys in the next video and in our Discord group chat. Take it easy, guys.